Foshan Yunzhang Furniture Manufacturing Company Limited was established in 2013. It is a professional manufacturer and exporter specializing in the design, development, and production of hotel furniture, wedding rental furniture, and indoor restaurant furniture. Our main products include metal materials, stainless steel materials, tempered glass or marble for dining tables, as well as metal materials, stainless steel materials, velvet and leather materials for chairs. We are in Foshan, Guangdong, with convenient transportation. All our products meet international quality standards and are highly appreciated in different markets around the world. We have over 50 employees and annual sales exceeding $7 million. Currently, over 80% of our products are exported to the world. Our complete equipment and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enable us to ensure complete customer satisfaction. Our excellent designers can meet the customization requirements of various products. Our excellent sales team can meet the service requirements of customers in various languages. Due to our high-quality products, flexible customized products, and excellent customer service, we have established a sales network covering countries around the world. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.